Let's be honest. Most emergency response training still looks the same as it did years ago. PowerPoint slides, printed procedures, a tabletop exercise in a meeting room. There's nothing inherently wrong with these tools. They explain processes. They align people on roles. They check compliance boxes. But that's the problem. They explain. Emergencies don't unfold in bullet points. They don't move in neat, linear sequences. They don't give you time to think through slide 12. Real incidents are fast, messy, spatial, and unpredictable. When you train in a classroom, you're talking about the response. When you train in a tabletop, you're imagining the response. But in a real situation, you're inside it. That's the gap. Traditional formats test understanding. They don't test performance under pressure. They don't build spatial awareness. They don't build instinct. And instinct is what matters when things escalate. This is why virtual simulation is becoming the standard. Instead of discussing scenarios, you operate inside them. Instead of imagining the layout, you move through it. Instead of assuming how it will unfold, you react to how it actually does. It's not about replacing classroom training completely. Documentation and procedures still matter. But if you're serious about readiness in modern operations, slides and binders can't be the main event anymore. Training needs to reflect how incidents really behave. And right now, virtual simulation does that better than anything else. If you'd like to move away from traditional and archaic methods of training, email us at info@structurist.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, like the video.